Hello and welcome. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step installation of the Putco Boss MOLLE rack system. This is a simple installation that can typically be completed in under 40 minutes using only basic hand tools. All required hardware is included with the kit. To begin, locate the stake pocket holes on your truck bed. Depending on your vehicle, these openings may already be exposed or covered by a plastic cap. If needed, carefully use an X-Acto knife to trim or remove the cover and access the opening. Next, take the 5/16" bolt and thread it into the backing plate. Then insert the bolt assembly through the J bracket, as shown. Next, take the shorter 3/8" bolt and slide on the black 3/8" washer and oval aluminum washer. While positioning the J bracket into the stake pocket opening, align the hardware and loosely thread the bolt into place from the side. Now, take your pre-assembled tech skin and slide the bolt through the bottom channel. Once the tech skin is positioned in the correct location, firmly hand-tighten the bolt to hold it securely in place. And repeat these same steps on the other side of the truck. Next, assemble the rack by attaching the included Tech Connect mounting adapters to the feet of the headache rack using the supplied M6 bolts. Be sure to install and tighten both the front and rear bolts on each side. Your rack is now ready to connect to the tech skin rail system. Take the 4 1/4" square nuts and slide them into position within the channel. Then secure the tech skin using the supplied 1/4" bolts. Once aligned correctly, firmly hand-tighten the hardware to hold everything securely in place, then repeat the same steps on the opposite side of the truck. This completes the installation of your new Boss MOLLE rack. For additional accessories, support, or warranty information, visit putco.com.